Hey, what's going on, everybody? Just wanted to record this quick video. I'm not going to come on screen today because it's been a very, very long day, but I just wanted to show you some cool things. So here's a few different apps on my iPhone that I use, but I'm going to show you on desktop. And then maybe I'll do another tutorial later where I could show you how they work on the iPhone. But first one is PixArt. This is a really, really cool app to do a lot of different photo editing. So if you needed to make an Instagram post or a Pinterest pin or a Facebook post or whatever the case may be, even a YouTube thumbnail, this is a really, really cool app that can do some amazing, amazing things. So I could try to do a quick demo, but I only know how to use it on the phone, so I'm not sure how this would work. But let's just say text editor. Let's see, downloads. Well, let's do this. Like my friend has this watch that he's selling. By the way, if anybody wants that watch, just message me and let me know. So if I wanted to add text, I could add text. Just go over here. Amazing. I actually like that font. And then if I wanted, let's see, I could duplicate it. That way I don't have to look at it again. Just bring it down here. I might actually put this on my Instagram. DM me if interested. I'll have to reduce the font there. Font, let's go to like 28. Okay, obviously I'm just showing you how this works. I don't really have time to pretty it up or this video will be way too long. But, oh well, just leave that alone. Anyways, let's see, what else can we do? There's some cool fonts here. So, okay, so if we wanted to, let's see that. Oh, that's a neat effect. Layers. Okay, whatever. We'll come back to that because I'll have to mess around with it for too long. Anyways, like I said, it's a lot better on the phone. I'm just trying to show you guys on the desktop. Okay, Vlog Easy. This is a really cool app I've been using a lot. You can come to this website and see how it works, but essentially what it does is when you're recording a video that you're going to upload later, what it does is it lets you record the whole video, then it goes through the video and it cuts out all the dead air time, all the parts where you're not talking. So then it's like a more streamlined video. So it really cuts a lot of time out of it. Like basically what I'm doing now when I'm like wasting time in between segments, if I was doing it on Vlog Easy, it would delete those parts where I'm, you know, not talking. So maybe it'll show you right here.
Now I'm going to show you guys how to use the jump cut feature to record, and then you just start talking to the camera like you normally would. But make sure when you're talking, you're leaving pauses in between your sentences, because when you're done recording, our app will automatically go in and edit. Hit record again, and it instantly edits it. Okay? And then you just start talking to the camera like you normally would. But make sure when you're talking, you're leaving pauses in between your sentences, because when you're done recording, our app will automatically go in and edit it.
Okay, so you kind of get the point, right? When you want to pause in between, then it will eliminate those pause times. Or maybe there's a part in your video where you just kind of forget something and you just go silent for a little while. It'll delete all that out, so it'll make the video more streamlined. So that's a really cool thing. And then there's Story Cutter. What Story Cutter does, it will take your video, whether you just record a video on your phone or Vlog Easy or whatever, and it will cut it into pieces. Now, why do you need to cut it into pieces? Because when you do stories on Instagram and Facebook, it can only go so long, right? So like if you had a video that's like a minute and a half and you uploaded it on Facebook, it would only give you like the first 20, 30 seconds, whatever it is. And then that's it. It won't even go to the next frame. What Story Cutter does, it'll take your video and it'll cut it into segments. The free level is 10-second intervals. If you want bigger than 10-second intervals, you have to get the paid account. It's not that much, but I just use the 10 seconds. So I'll record a message for a minute. I'll put it in Story Cutter. It'll cut it into like 10-second segments. Then I go into my Facebook stories, and then I just click all the images in the order that I want, all the videos really, and then I just upload, and then it'll just go 10 seconds at a time and play my whole story. So that's a cool way to use it. So Story Cutter and Vlog Easy. And then, like I said, if you wanted to make a little, like I said, I did a horrible example here, so I'm kind of pissed that it turned out that bad. But like I said, I usually use this on my phone, not on here. But okay, well, let's try something else. Let's let's try that again. Let's see what happens. Okay, so yeah, you could do cool things like this, and then you can go back and then add different effects to it and stuff, and you could blend colors, color burn. Like I said, oh, that looks cool. Okay, so we're getting somewhere. Anyways, but like I said, yeah, if you download PixArt on your phone, I think it's on both. It should be on both Android and iPhone. I use it on my iPhone. I just love this app. There's so many cool things you can do on it. You can like make things look like cartoons. You can make them look different shapes and sizes. You can add like different type of lights and stuff. So you could take a basic photo and do some amazing things with it. So like sometimes like friends will like post a photo, and then I'll take it and I'll edit it and send it back to them. Like, oh my gosh, how did you do that? It's like, I don't know. It makes you look a lot more talented than you are. But so PixArt, Vlog Easy, and Story Cutter. Those are three cool apps you should add to your phone. If you don't have it, it will really help with your internet marketing and your social media stuff. All right, this is Nicholas Lau from Dallas. Hope you all are doing well. Take care. Bye-bye.